The diagonals of a rhombus is 24 and 32. Find the length of each side. So given here is a rhombus, and we all know that a rhombus has all sides equal. So this is the 32 diagonal and this is the 24 centimeter diagonal. So to find for the side, we're going to find one of the side here, which is x. So we can copy that as this one, and this is a right triangle. So if this is diagonal, this is 32, then the half of it will be 16, and this one, the half of it is 12. So we have here a right triangle. In our right triangle, C is the hypotenuse, and in our given, the A is our 12 and the B is the 16. So we are going to find for the C. So Pythagorean theorem formula is equal to C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So we are going to find for the C. Substitute A, which is 12 square, plus the B, which is 16 squared. That is C squared is equal to A, which is 144, plus 16, which is 256. C squared is equal to 400. Since we have a square here, so we are going to remove that, as C squared is equal to square both sides. Cancel this one out. So C is square to 400, that is 20. So the side of our rhombus is 20 centimeter.